this video, we're going to show you how to stop WordPress from asking for your FTP credentials every time you want to update. Now, there's a couple different ways you can do this, but either way, you're going to need to go to your FTP client and open up your WP config file. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so here I have my WP config file. I already have it open over here. Now, the first way that you can get WordPress to stop asking you to enter in your FTP credentials every time you want to update is to simply put in your FTP credentials into your WP config.php file. Now, this is what it will look like here. This is just the generic version of it. You would put in your FTP username, your FTP password, and then you add the define for your FTP host. Now, obviously, that's going to be your username, your password, and your host. And once you do that, you will no longer be asked to enter in your FTP credentials. And let's go ahead and delete that, and I will uncomment out my credentials. Let's go ahead and save. Tell FileZilla we do want to save that. Go back to our updates page. All right, let's start with updating iTheme Security Pro. We're going to go ahead and click Update Plugin. All right, great. Now we can see that adding our credentials has allowed us to no longer see that FTP credentials required warning when updating. Now, there's one other way you can do that, which you will also need to go to your WP config file to do. I'm going to go ahead and delete my credentials. Now, you can use the WordPress provided define fs method direct. Now, the define fs method direct will do it will override the permissions required to update. And then now that we have that in there, let's go ahead and save. Click OK or click yes on FileZilla, telling yes, we do want to make that change. Now let's go to our updates page. And now that we've changed our file system method to direct and update our plugin, and as you can see, there is no warning. Now, I hope this has been helpful for you and anyone who is seeing the annoying FTP credentials required every time you have to update. And if you like this video and you'd like to see more videos about all things WordPress, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And thanks everyone. Have a great day.